Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Kelly's online classes. Let us continue our discussion on unit number 2, industrial policy. In previous class, we completed information technology, futures of information technology, growth of information technology, and problems of information technology. We studied in last class, and today we are moving to next concept in information technology is some of the innovations in information and communication technology. I told you information technology innovations turned into opportunities, creating employment opportunities and creating business among young entrepreneurs. So, some of the innovations in information technology, the first one is e-business. E-business, it is a market. It is a market where business use internet technologies and network computing securely transfer. See, e-business is nothing but it is a marketplace where business use internet technologies and so network computing to secure transfer of money, electronic document, it means e-documents and e-certificates of respected companies and the business documents, business information, data. So will be transforming the securely transformation. So e-business is nothing but a use of technologies and networks in business for securing transformation of the confidential documents among the industries. And here, so three categories. The first one is internal business process. So via intranets. Internal business process via internet within the organization, within the company. Will be all activities will be done within the organization used internal business process via intranets. And second one is business relationship. The business relationship among companies and industries via extra nets. And third one is buying and selling of goods and services and information. Buying and selling of goods and services and information also via e-commerce. See, the e-business is very important in present modern market. See, the each goods and services we are obtaining from e-business. For example, in popular online marketing companies or e-marketing companies are Amazon, Flipkart and various types of e-marketing and e-companies are existing in the world. So we are within 2 or 3 days our needs we are getting from online market. So then the e-commerce is conducting the transactions using the internet, the subset of e-business. There are mainly 3 areas of e-business, namely conducting a transaction using the internet. Yes, the conducting transaction using the internet. See, such 3 areas of e-business are within the organization and business to business dealings and business to customers transactions. Within the organization, the first one is e-business within the organization uses internet. So within the expansion, within the geographical area of the company, area of the organization, between the so between the employers and so chief executive engineers, higher officers to lower officers to higher officers. So will be communicating through the internet. We called so within the organization. And second one is business to business dealings. So business organization are allowed to see confidential data of others. See, the cost of business has come down drastically because of use the internet. See, the confidential documents transaction between so one company to another company, one country to another country. So with pre-cost of transactions. So therefore, the business to business dealings are very simplified by information technology. And third one is business to customer transactions. See, business to customer transactions, the third area of e-business is business to customer transactions. This is selling the goods and services through internet to the innumerable customers spread all over the world. Here business concerns establish virtually shops and offer goods and services to whoever visits their websites. Yes. The World Wide Web, the present, the business to customers dealings or transactions. So we can be getting goods and services through their websites. See, it is the broad concept, and here innumerable customers spread all over the world. See, we are getting goods from other nations, and other nations consumers are getting our nation's products through business to customer transactions. See, the business to customer transaction, the information technology has been the simplification of sovereignty of the consumers and sovereignty of the producers. Because of so within 10 to 15 days we are getting our needable goods and services from other nations and within the country also. Then third one is EPS or e-banking, electronic payment system, or e-banking. The third innovation. See, from the barter system to money economy. In barter system, goods and goods to goods exchanging. In barter system, goods to goods exchange by sellers and buyers to fulfill their needs or wants. But here in barter system faced severe problems and various problems also. Therefore, money was introduced by modern economies. The barter system to money economy, from money economy to credit system, and from credit system to electronic cash in the evolution of money. The evolution of money is from barter system to money economy to credit economy to electronic cash. The evolution of money. The present our country will being India is cashless, also taught by government of India. The electronic money is nothing but the transformation of money properly into digital money, e-money, has reduced the cost of money transactions and has helped trade and commerce. The different forms of e-money are, see, the reduction of transaction cost and reducing and saving money of individuals and business, and it is help to trade and commerce also because of reducing transaction of money, and so saving the time of the individuals and business also. So totally it is a simplification of transaction of money for individuals and business, and make trade is simplification. So that the different forms of e-money are, first one is EFT, electronic fund transfer, electronic funds transfer. It is a system of transferring money electronically through a network between accounts, banks, different organizations without actually moving money. See, the electronic funds transfer is a system transferring money electronically between one account to another account, one bank to another bank, and different organization, one organization to another organization without actual money is moving. The soft money is moving. The numerical numbers will be moving one bank to another bank, one organization to another organization, and so one account to another account. We call electronic funds transfer. Then second one is debit card. See, debit card, this is a payment system, so in which the customer's bank account is electronically debited at the time of the transaction. So this is usually done at a departmental stores, any retail sale counter. Yes, the debit card is the payment system which the customer's bank account is electronically debited at the time of transaction. This is usually done at departmental stores or any retail sale counter. See, then the third one is credit card. The credit card issuer advance money for payment of the transaction of the customer, and the consumer promises to repay this advance in future according to the terms and agreement of the card issuer. See, the credit card is also one of the system of payment. The transaction of the consumers and customer and the consumer promises to repay this advance in future according to the terms and agreement with the card issuer. The various different types of banks are offering credit cards. Those credit cards are actively in advance money for payment. Advance money for payment, but the present transaction of all goods and services, and in future the customer will be promised in future will be repaid according to agreeing terms and conditions of the card issuing bank. And next one is electronic checks. See, the electronic checks are transmitted through the internet system. These checks are digital signatures for signing and use digital certificates for bank account purposes. See, the electronic checks also one of the payment system. See, the transforming or transmitted through the internet system. See, the checks use digital signatures for signing and use digital certificates. See, for bank account purposes. Yes, the digital checks will be cover digital sign of the respected account holders and bankers through transaction one person to another person, and one organization to another organization, one company to another company through internet. And next is e-banking. E-banking allows the customer to have self-service. E-customers can get money from an automated teller machine we called ATM. Automated teller machine instead of walking off to the cash desk in the bank. So can view their accounts, so transfer funds and can pay bills. See, the e-banking make a self-service. So we can be transaction, we can be withdrawal, we can be deposit our money into the automated teller machine. So instead of walking in front of the desk of bank and saving time and saving time also, and saving the cost of transaction also, also e-banking is very essential for every individuals and India. And present the digitalization of all bank and each bank or application digitalization, all banks are covered, ATM card, debit card, credit card, and so RTGS in present days RTGS also existing here introduced by government of India. See RTGS like EFT, debit card, credit card, electronic check and e-banking are actively successfully running in India. Even though in future is also government of India is so think to introduce cashless economy. It means so every transaction through the internet like the present we are transaction our money one account to another account, one bank to another bank. See through payphone and Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, BMAP, the number of apps are introduced by government of India to encouraging and boosting cashless economy in the country. So let me stop. We shall continue our discussion in next class.